Hello, everyone. Amber Irwin here, Social Speak Network. Today, we're talking about a new hot social media platform called Clubhouse. And we want to talk today about how you can use Clubhouse to grow your business. And we're still new to the platform as well, so we're going to learn together. But Clubhouse is a audio-based platform. And what this means is that think of it as an interactive podcast. So when you are doing a podcast, you record it, you can pre-record it, you can have guests on there, but people can't call in and be interactive with your podcast most of the time. Clubhouse is an interactive audio-based platform. And so people can get into your chat room and you can have a topic of conversation, you can have a Q&A, and they can engage, they can listen, they can raise their hand, they can ask questions. There's no pictures, okay? There's no visuals, it's just your voice, which makes it a really unique platform. So a couple ways to really optimize this platform is making sure that you have your Clubhouse profile filled out correctly. And because you only get one profile, you really want to make sure that it's clear what it is you do, okay? So you want to make sure that it's not like your Instagram personal profile. This is for your business. So you want to make sure it's clear on what you do, who you are, and make sure in the first 3 sentences you are telling people that information that they want to know, because again, they can't see your voice. So if you're interacting in these conversations and then they say, oh, who's this? And they go to your profile and they just see dog lover, love being outside. They're going to say, well, who is this person? So you want to make sure that that profile is optimized to the fullest potential. You have all the information in there that you need, okay? Then number 2 is building a engaged following. So this is to start being, a part of other chats, get engaged, have people really wonder, oh man, who is that? Ask people. You have to be able to, in order to get on Clubhouse right now, you have to be invited. So use those, I forget how many free invites you get. I think you get like 2 or 3 when you first start, but use those for people that you want to build that following with, that that they're going to engage with you. And then start with number 3 is make new connections. So as you are in these chat rooms more and more, and you're listening to people, anyone that sounds interesting to you, or maybe would be a good referral partner, or maybe even a great client, make sure you're starting that conversation with them. And right now, there's no direct messaging. So there's a link to your Twitter and there's a link to your Instagram account. So make sure that Instagram account is linking to your business Instagram, so it's clear on that connection, okay? And then number 4 is keep up with current news and trends in your industry. So again, Clubhouse is a great way to find those topics of conversation and really increase that social listening, okay? So this is where you can see what people are maybe struggling with, see what chat rooms are available that you can listen to and be able to take away from that for your own content in your business. This is a great way to learn more about current industry news and trends. Number 5, learn from experts. So 4, 5, and 6 are kind of a twofold. So being able to follow different experts in your industry is great, because you're able to learn from them and again engage with people on here that you wouldn't have the opportunity to engage with them before. So you would be able to, maybe if Neil Patel has a chat room on here on Clubhouse, I can jump in and I can ask a question, and if he's responding, he's talking, that would be really cool to have a conversation with him. We follow his guidelines, we follow his SEO strategies, and so to be able to have that conversation with him, because to be able to have that conversation with him on Facebook or Instagram or podcast, it's not going to happen. So this is a unique platform, and it's still, it's a year old, so it's still fairly new, that if you get in now, it's a great way to make those connections with people you never thought you'd be able to. And then number 6 It's also a great way to position yourself as an expert. If you have been thinking about doing maybe like Facebook Lives or you want to do a podcast, start a Clubhouse. This is a great way. And I don't think that podcast and Clubhouse compete at all. I think they really actually complement each other because you can use Clubhouse to promote your podcast episodes. And so Clubhouse is not pre-recorded. It is all live. You can talk, say, hey guys, we're going to be doing a chat this day, blah, 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 and promote it, but it's all live. It's in the moment, which makes it really, really cool. So if you are on Clubhouse or want help on how to utilize Clubhouse for your business, let us know. Head on over to Social Speak Network and schedule your free consultation today. Thank you.